Hello kids, today we will learn colors name, counting numbers and alphabet. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me colors name. Brown, blue, red, pink, black, orange, yellow, light green, white. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Say with me A. Write with me A. Say with me B. Write with me B. Say with me C. Write with me C. Say with me D. Write with me D. Say with me E. Write with me E. Say with me F. Write with me F. Say with me G. Write with me G. Say with me H. Write with me H. Say with me I. Write with me I. Say with me J. Write with me J. Say with me K. Write with me K. Say with me L. Write with me L. Say with me M. Write with me M. Say with me N. Write with me N. Say with me O. Write with me O. Say with me F. Write with me F. Say with me Q. Write with me Q. Say with me. R. Write with me. R. Say with me. S. Write with me. S. Say with me. T. Write with me. T. Say with me. U. Write with me. U. Say with me. V. Write with me. V. Say with me. W. Write with me. W. Say with me. X. Write with me. X. Say with me. Y. Write with me. Y. Say with me. G. Write with me. G. Subscribe for more video.